Welcome to Jeffrey's Travels and Food. I'm just about ready to put my sweet corn on the grill. I got the gas grill going, got the temp up to about 350 degrees, and also I'm going to get the charcoal grill going for the burgers. I like that. They just seem to taste a lot better on the charcoal grill than the gas grill, so that's why I have both going. So we'll get this going here in just a moment, but let me get the sweet corn on the grill. Okay, here we go. I'll just put everything right up on the top rack here. There we go. Been soaking in water for a couple hours or so that way the green stuff, this stuff here, don't burn. This take about an hour or so to heat up. Kind of turn them around. Oh yes, this sweet corn is going to be delicious. Just as good as last week. If you haven't seen my video from last week. Oh, I'm going to have to turn this guy this way. This part here is a little bit long, so there we go. Get this thing lid closed. There we go. Adjust the temperature. Oh, by the way, I've had this stainless steel gas grill for about, I say at least 15 years. Got it on clearance at Target. I think I paid just under $350 for it. Look, and I still have it, and it still works. As long as you take care of it, clean it, clean the inside out. Usually what I do is clean the whole thing out inside and get all the grease out of there and stuff like that. Your grill should last as long as you take care of it. Okay, so give the grass some water. Okay, let's get the charcoal grill going. Now remember, I use different things. I use this to get it going. So if you're not comfortable doing that, don't do it. Just use a match. But I'm okay doing it. Let a professional do it. But first I get some lighter fluid on here. Get some, plenty on there. Yep, just like that. Yep. There we go. Just trying to make sound effects, everyone. Okay, that should be good. Okay, this bottle's just about empty. Good thing I got one last week. Okay, we'll pop the cap on. We'll set this down on the ground, and we have the corn cooking in the grill there. This one's going to be for the burgers. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. Oh, we have fire. Yes. Just doing another recap on starting up my charcoal grill. It's been a while since I've done a video on starting up my charcoal grill, so I don't know if people want to scroll back to the very beginning or not, but there you go. We have fire. Oh yes. Yeah, so be advised, don't use this if you're not comfortable with it. So there you go. Yeah, look at that. Oh yes, pretty nice out today. So there you go, charcoal grill for the burgers, because I'm using that Championship Cherry briquette. So if you ever decide you want to use something different, there's all them different flavor barbecue briquettes. There's like garlic and avocado and some other stuff. It really made my chicken taste good last week. Unfortunately, my little charcoal grill is just not big enough for the sweet corn. Besides, if I put the sweet corn on the charcoal grill, I think the green stuff would burn up before the corn got done. So there you go. And there's my smoker. Nothing really going on with that today. We don't actually use it, so. And then I have one more. I got a little mini charcoal grill under here too. I got all sorts of cooking apparatus items here. So there you go. Let's just watch the fire here for a few minutes. Let's cook burgers together. Let's cook some burgers and corn together. Oh, it's going to be a delicious dinner tonight. And for dessert, I'm having apple pie and ice cream. Ha! There you go. This is going to be my... Oh, and I have a surprise. It's not food related. I'll separate video for that one. Yep. I made a purchase the other day. No, it's not a new vehicle. I'm still keeping that vehicle. It's a piece of furniture. So we'll get to that one later. But okay, well anyway, thank you for watching Jeffrey's Travels, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Let me know what you think of the two separate grill things for cooking my burgers and sweet corn, and be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you thought of my charcoal and gas grill with the sweet corn. There it is. Whoa, is that gonna be good? So thanks for watching. Bye for now.